Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Oasser car battery charger 6/12 volt automatic battery charger maintainer portable intelligent smart charger with 11-stage pulse repair charger. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include and safe all-in-one 6/12 volt battery charger that can perform battery detection, battery charging, battery maintenance, trickle charger and battery desulfator. With IP65 level of dust and water protection, suitable battery types, lead acid, wet, MF, gel and AGM, 1.2 to 120 amp. Application compatible with cars, motorcycles, lawn mowers, ATVs, lawn tractors, trucks, SUVs, boats, PWCs, classic cars, and more. Once connected, the battery charger automatically identifies the battery status to provide safe and efficient charging and extend battery life. LED screen. The color symbol clearly and visibly shows failure sign, charge voltage, battery level, charging mode, winter mode, and others. Easy to operate. One click to switch 6 charging modes and leave the charger to do the rest. Fully automatic charging automatically detects battery sulfation and acid stratification, take pulse repair function to restore lost battery performance. Automatically adapt to the charging current without manual adjustment, automatically stop when the battery is fully charged. Protection. The automatic smart battery charger provides open circuit protection, short circuit protection, battery reverse connection protection, overvoltage protection, undervoltage protection, overheating protection. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.